All right, guys, so we're gonna be transforming this 1996 Toyota Corolla. This is my dad's car. You know, I'm gonna be surprising him, and we're gonna be doing a budget build, a transformation build for this thing. And you know, I'm super excited. We got some cheap parts to throw on this thing, so let's get started. We got our clips plugged in, our new O2 sensor plugged in, nice and tight, nice and snug. All right, so now we got the O2 sensor back in, all plugged up, nice and tight. We have the 1996 Toyota Corolla here. We recently, you know, we've taken care of some of the problems. We did an oil change. We did a brand new O2 sensor on this thing. We got rid of the check engine light. So we're gonna start, you know, modding this thing up and surprising my dad, you know, giving this thing, you know, a little bit more of an aggressive look and kind of pimping this thing out for him. So let's get these, first things first is, let's get these shitty hubcaps off. I did buy some new ones. So, and then, you know, once we get the new hubcaps on, we'll go ahead and we'll give her a nice detail, because this car has been sitting for a while. We got leaves everywhere, and the car... Junk. All right, guys, so we painted the wheels black. Let's throw our new hubcaps on. Let's get the rain guards on after we get the hubcaps on, and then we got some headlights, tail lights, fog lights, and this thing should be almost done. Alright guys, so we're in the garage now. The headliner in this car is absolutely disgusting. I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. Absolutely disgusting. So we're going to rip this baby down. We're going to replace the headliner, clean up the inside, and then finish up our mods and transform this baby. Alright guys, so we got everything sanded down. We're gonna start, you know, trying to glue the new fabric on and then get this baby back in there and finish up the mods. Alright guys, so we just gotta get the light in, all our handles, and our rear view mirror, but our new headliner is in the Corolla.
Alright, time to take out some taillights.
Alright guys, and after all the mods and, you know, all the hard work, here it is. The 1996 Toyota Corolla. Man, she looks freaking amazing. I want to say thank you to, you know, Em and Mark. You know, they helped me with this build, man, and we absolutely transformed this thing. I literally absolutely cannot wait to show my dad this Toyota Corolla, man. He's literally going to end up shitting himself because this thing looks freaking good. It really does. The headlights, the grill, the Specty headlights look freaking awesome. We changed the fog lights, as you guys seen. I threw on a front lip there, and you know, I threw the rain guards on, and this car just, it really did transform. And like I said, I just want to say thank you to, you know, the people who helped me, my father-in-law Mark and Emma. And I can't wait to give this thing back to my dad and, you know, see the look on his face when he sees the way this car looks. And, you know, remember guys, if you're liking all the content, do us the favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show us the love, hit that bell notification button. Subi fam out, baby.